sasa. Detergents help a lot. They do help. For much easier. We went to Naivas and got a few brushes and shopping kidogo by the way it was mingi. Ni venye tu sasa hii brush ilikuwa imebaiwa itumike kwa bathroom. Na zijaanza kutumika it's still new. I feel it will work in handy for me because work perfect. So I use it like this way. Socks zangu zimepata maji. Yeah, so imenisugulia vizuri. The sink was super dirty yet I don't want to show you how it was. Ilikuwa mbaya sana because of so unajua when you travel mnakuja Kisii, mnakaa kidogo, mnarudi. Hizo siku zenye nimekaa hivyo it gathers a lot of uchafu. Uzuri hakuna mende so sitaki. Hakuna panya niekelee panya ati zilipuka. So niseme tu basically it's ile uchafu inakuanga because ilikaa bila kutumika. Yeah. So anytime people come, maintenance is done. So we wash down here. We see if there is any uchafu or any kind of built-in uchafu iliyokolea. Kama pia kama kuna cobwebs, we clean all the way up. Yeah. So now we do this. And you do it gladly because you're loving what you're doing. Right? In the process we're scrubbing in these corners. And don't ignore. Alright? Yeah, so like that. And then I'll rinse it. I will rinse it. I can see. You can see the progress. It was a brown. It was some brown thingy. It was looking bad. And also down here, kulikuwa na brown. And let me tell you, many people wash their sinks hivyo. They don't wash here. Mimi seriously, if you clean my sink and you don't wash this around, this is the place that I check to know that you've cleaned well. By the way, tunakuanga na maji throughout. Now that is the beauty of Kisii because maji iko. Mvua iko, yeah? Yeah, kuna mvua. So you can see it was brown over here, brown kabisa, and also here. So you see what I'm talking about. Ukinioshia sink, but this kapat, this is what tells me if you washed. You cannot tell me you washed in this kapat. This one. And this round part. So yeah, I will rinse it and then we are good to go. I'll just do the rinsing plus huku chini. This is where pia watu wengi, they forget a lot. They forget about this kapat so much. It is very bad. Makosa. Okay, so let me rinse it. Chato ni rinse na hii maji instead of going for some more water. Just rinsing like this. Najua maji itajaa huku. If in Nairobi I clean like this and then I let the water run like this, nasikianga. Oops, nasikianga hasara because maji yote ni ya Kanju and it's expensive. Hapa God has blessed us with maji ya nini? Maji ya mvua. So we have tanks outside. Kuna tanks huko nje. Wow. Tanks huko nje, so we are safe. Well, let me get a duster and clean here otherwise.